Hello everyone, hope your day's good. The purpose of this video is to show you a little experiment I did this past winter. I had 9 dahlias planted here last year in this garden, and I decided not to lift them over the winter. Thought, I'll just leave them in and see what happens. Here in Zone 6, Northeast Ohio, we did have a mild winter, so I don't know if that attributed to the fact, but anyway, 6 out of the 9 returned. And this is the first bloom, or the first one to bloom out of those 6. And several others are getting ready to bloom. So I just wanted to give you a quick little video about showing you some of these that are getting ready to bloom, and show you this one. And maybe you in zones where they're not typically where you're supposed to lift them, that maybe I'm sorry, I just got distracted. I just saw the first Japanese beetle of the year that I'm going to have to address. Looks like they've started coming out. Here's a couple of them. They're making more. There's another one up there. In this video, right there. It's on my Cinderella hardy hibiscus. It is masses. If you can see how big it's gotten. This is its first full season in this spot. All right, here's another one of the 9, or the 6 that came back, that's getting ready to bloom, of the dahlias. And let's go look at an area where, and let me show you these 2 beds here. I'm getting ready to, as you can see, I've taken out the soil, the sod, getting ready to join these 2 beds. Here's another one. I think this one is a yellow one. Just a big dinner plate yellow. Here's the second one to actually bloom. Can't remember the name. I think it's tartan, but I'm not positive. So there's 3 of them here, and then 3 over there. So that's the 6. And I'll just go ahead and show you a little bit here. The Phantom Standard hydrangeas are going to town, as you can see. Looking good, looking good. There's one, and there's the other over there. You can also see the burning orange false sunflower, or Heliopsis, is doing well. I need to go ahead and cut back the foxglove and let the seeds die, and try my hand at propagating for the first time. Also, I found another one of the bottle rockets, or the red hot pokers. Sorry, that's what they're called, red hot pokers, except this one's orange blaze, I believe, by Proven Winners. Last video I had said that I showed you the one hot and cold that is going to town, and then it hit me. I had, wait a minute, we got 3 more of those somewhere. Hadn't seen them, but there's one of them. You can see the Baptisia here is loving its spot. That'll be a very beautiful display next spring. But just a little quick video to show you my experiment with dahlias. I just decided I wouldn't lift them, and I would let them, I just leave them in the ground and see what happens here in Northeast Ohio. But like I said, 6 out of the 9 came back, and actually the rest of them may have come back. It may have been a rodent issue, because two of the 3 that didn't come back, I decided I wanted to see what the tubers looked like under the ground, to see if they were just rotted, and that's why they didn't come up. So I dug up. There were no tubers. So I'm wondering if maybe a mole or something found those over the winter, and that's what he or she lived on, or they. That's the heptacodium getting ready to bloom. I'm showing you there. I've already shown you that before. So that's where I just wanted to show you that and discuss that with you real quick. I'll be doing another quick little video also in another day or two maybe. But hope everybody is having a great day. I hope this inspired you to do a little dahlia planting maybe. I don't know. To try it. It is a lot of work to lift them. And so that's why I just left them last year to see what would happen. And they have come back. So we'll see what happens next year. They're come back and they're blooming. And I've showed you the two that have bloomed. There's some more over here that are getting ready. Here's another one that's about to open, it looks like. I'm not sure what this one is called. Very bright. For some reason, I don't know why that's glowing so much. But there's one. It's going to be yellow, it would appear. All right. Again, hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you for watching this video. And keep it real, I guess. Enjoy gardening. Enjoy your garden. Thank you guys. Have a good day.